2026 Land Rover Range Rover Electric. When Land Rover builds an icon, it doesn't just launch a vehicle, it creates a presence. And in 2026, that presence will no longer growl. It will whisper. Meet the Range Rover Electric, Land Rover's first ever full EV version of its flagship luxury SUV. The future of opulence, made silent. Don't expect radical design changes. The 2026 model keeps the regal stance, the flush surfaces, the unmistakable Range Rover silhouette, but under that sculpted hood, 2 electric motors, estimated 600 pulse power to 60 in 4.2 seconds, and 480 kilometers 300 miles of real-world range. Land Rover is chasing Tesla Plaid power, but doing it with a champagne flute in hand. The EV platform allows for a completely flat floor, meaning more legroom, more cargo space, and a cabin that feels like a private suite at the Ritz. Noise insulation has gone full fortress level. They're even using active noise cancellation through the speakers. The same tech used in luxury yachts to make the ride whisper quiet. The digital dash is a panoramic OLED display, curved and glowing with British elegance. Backseat executive class with individual screens, tray tables, and massage features. There's even an optional refrigerated champagne compartment between the rear seats. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling country estate. Land Rover has also confirmed that the EV Range Rover will be ocean wade capable, with sealed battery enclosures and IP68 water resistance. So yes, your electric aristocrat can still handle a stream crossing. The price? Start at $1,110 to $15,000. But for the audience this is targeting, global elites, business magnates, and anyone who wants silent dominance. The number doesn't matter. The Range Rover Electric is for those who don't want to shout. They want to arrive, and everyone knows they're here anyway.